Guys, please subscribe and help us get to 20k subs. Please, Bafethu. Just sub. Just. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 1. I'm joined by Papa fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm China, bro. I'm from Orlando.
Yeah, favor in China.
Favorite Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay,
Big
because
fan of Kaizer Chiefs. But then, unfortunately, I watch more Orlando Pirates games than Kaizer Chiefs. However, let's talk about the Pirates game. I love Pirates. I don't want to lie. I might be a Chiefs fan, but I love Pirates. This is my home team. However, now let's look at the game itself. Let's give credit to Polokwane City. There's jersey number 11.
Yes, sir.
And then approaching Polokwane City. Approaching Polokwane City, coming from a super sport, that team has been doing well.
Yes, sir.
And then, however, Uchose approached this team at a very low level.
True.
A team that won 4-1 against Supersport, and then now you're approaching it with trying new combinations against that team that is already had its own structure. Polokwane City was too good. There's number 11. They had their homework. They wanted to play counter-attacks, which is it worked for them. And Pirates didn't have a plan today. They didn't know if ever they are playing with wings or they're going direct. They just didn't have a structure today. However, let's look at the players. Uloch played very well.
Yes, sir.
He's on a form. And then taking Kim Vitu out was the biggest mistake. If ever Kim Vitu was not out, that goal was not going to be considered.
True.
The biggest mistake Jose Ayenzile was taking Kim Vitu out, and then Erasmus is not a second half person. Erasmus is supposed to start the game because he can never change the game. That guy can never change the game. You look at the age, you look at some things. Look at Pizzo, how he was utilizing Tiko Modise when he realized that Tiko is growing. He was only playing him the first 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, you look at those basics of the coaching. So one of the things that I really blame with Uchose was taking Erasmus. Erasmus, look at his age, and he can never perform. He can never perform like before. You're supposed to start with him, and then of course suppose Uchose came to gain that match fitness. Hoto, let's give credit to Hoto. He's doing well, especially converted. The biggest thing Ayenzile this year, Uchose, was converting a player from a left wing to left back. That's awesome. And Uhoto, he masters that thing. He knows how to overlap. He knows when to go out. And then we always have about team who are solid. But the Polokwane City did their homework. Did their homework.
So, in man of the match,
in man of the match, let's give credit to Uloch. Uloch played very well. Assistant, he assisted that goal, and he was all around the ball. Most of the balls on first half. Pirates supposed to win this game on first half. It was supposed to be 2-0 from first half. But then they didn't utilize those chances. I love Pirates. Unfortunately, I'm not a Pirates fan. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. And one more thing. There's no difference between Mulefe Tseki and Kevin Johnson. One common thing about them, they never won a cup.
Thank you very much, my brother.